Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi A5 tire. First, prioritize safety by finding a level, secure spot away from traffic. Engage your parking brake and activate hazard lights to alert others. Gather your essential tools, the spare tire, jack, and lug wrench, usually found in the trunk. Being prepared ensures a smooth and safe tire change process. Once safe, use your lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire by turning them counterclockwise about 1/2 turn. Do not remove them yet. Next, locate the designated jack point near the flat tire, typically a reinforced area under the door sill. Carefully position the jack and begin to raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely off the ground, about 4 inches. Now that the car is lifted, fully remove all the lug nuts and carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs. It can be heavy, so be mindful. Take your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs, then push it firmly onto the hub. Hand tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to ensure the wheel is seated correctly before lowering the vehicle. Gently lower the car with the jack until the spare tire makes contact with the ground, but the full weight isn't on it yet. Now, use your lug wrench to fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern, aiming for about 90 foot-pounds of torque. Once tightened, fully lower the car and remove the jack. Remember to check your spare tire's pressure and get the flat repaired or replaced promptly. For a fresh car interior, check out the link in the description for little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.